This is a story about a student who failed. His name is Daniel. Daniel wanted to speak English fluently. He studied hard. He practiced every day. He believed he was ready. Then the test day came. He felt nervous. He tried his best, but when he saw his results, he failed. The red mark on the paper felt heavy. His heart felt heavy too. He went home quietly. He thought, maybe I am not good at English. The next day, he did not open his book. He felt tired. He felt disappointed. He wanted to stop, but something inside him said, try one more time. So he opened his book again. He started small, one paragraph, one exercise, one mistake at a time. He failed again the next test, but this time he did not cry. He reviewed his mistakes. He asked his teacher questions. He practiced speaking in front of a mirror. He recorded his voice. He listened carefully. Weeks passed. Slowly, his sentences became clearer. His confidence grew little by little. Then another test came. He felt nervous again, but this time he felt stronger. When the results came, he passed. Not perfectly, but he passed. Daniel smiled. He understood something important. Failure is not the end. It is part of learning. If you fall, stand up again. If you fail, try again. Do not give up. Success belongs to the student who never stops trying. Keep going. You can do it.